Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding a roadshow in Bihar. Those are live visuals coming in. There's politics happening on the issue as well. Remember earlier, Tejasvi Yadav in a post on social media X had posted few questions for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The opposition says this visit of the Prime Minister is only for polls, but all eyes are set on Bihar now. As far as elections in Bihar are concerned, after Delhi, of course, the BJP eyeing the state of Bihar as well. Meanwhile, the opposition hitting out at the Prime Minister, saying that this visit of the Prime Minister is only for polls. So Prime Minister is in Bihar. He's leading a mega roadshow. Those are live visuals on your screens. Kisan outreach by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The opposition sees red. Opposition believes that the Prime Minister is in Bihar only for polls. War of words intensifying between the BJP and the opposition in Bihar over the Prime Minister's visit. Live visuals coming in of the Prime Minister's mega roadshow. He's accompanied by the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar.
ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टमेंट समिट का उद्घाटन कर उसमें हिस्सा लेकर अब बिहार पहुंचे हैं। बिहार के भागलपुर में अब से थोड़ी ही देर में प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि योजना की 19वीं किस्त को जारी करेंगे। प्रधानमंत्री के इस दौरे से बिहार में खासा उत्साह दिखाई दे रहा है, तो वहीं दूसरी तरफ बिहार की राजनीतिक पार्टियों में भी एक खलबली दिखाई दे रही है। प्रधानमंत्री के आज के इस दौरे के लिए बिहार का हर नागरिक उत्साहित है और भागलपुर पूरी तरह से अपने प्रधान सेवक की अगवानी के लिए
joining us on the broadcast. Pragya, these are live visuals of the Prime Minister's mega roadshow, and it's not just the roadshow. The people of Bihar are going to benefit from this visit because the Prime Minister is going to distribute the 19th Kisan Samman Nidhi installment. And there are other projects as well for the state of Bihar that will eventually benefit and help the people of Bihar and help in infrastructure development as well. But the opposition believes this is nothing but a visit for polls.
Well, obviously, certainly, BJP is a political party and also one of the prime, component of that political sphere and scenario as well. And there are polls in Bihar. So this is also a messaging to the people of Bihar, apart from other country, because the schemes that will be announced, apart from 19th installment, which will be installed, which will be disbursed and given to Kisan and farmers as Kisan Samman Nidhi, which will go not just to the farmers of Bihar, but also to farmers across the country. But having said that, Prime Minister is also very conscious of the fact that there are polls in Bihar. And this is exactly why Bihar has been chosen as the place from where this installment has been launched. And it is not just one program and one scheme that Prime Minister is launching. There are other schemes that will be gifted by Prime Minister to Bihar. And this is not the first time that PM is doing it, because PM has already done it in several states. Whenever there are some projects that are lined up, there was a budget session, if you remember. There was a Makhana industry that needs to be set up. There are other things that need to be set up, and the funds were made available to Bihar for that. Prime Minister will go and inaugurate, will go and lay foundation stone and announce those schemes from Bihar. But having said that, it is a political season, so opposition will certainly see it from aspects of politics, and they will obviously term it as poll promises only. In fact, we have also heard Lalu Prasad Yadav saying in the morning that these are all jumlas that they will do. Prime Minister will go before people of Bihar. But we have seen that the centrally funded schemes in other states have already been implemented in states, and this will obviously help Bihar.
All right, the Prime Minister being felicitated by Shivraj Singh Chauhan. He was accompanied by the Chief Minister of Bihar during that roadshow. He's on the stage at the moment. Pragya, thank you for getting us the details. We are just taking a break. We'll be back with these live visuals and more.